And today I am going to convert this Wayne Dalton TorqueMaster over to a torsion spring, so that way I can install that Chamberlain side mount right over there.
Yeah, boy, out, man.
So I'm going to get after this and get this changed out, get it converted over to a torsion spring system. Get rocking and rolling on the garage door opener. Okay, so I weighed this door and came up with 176.8 pounds. So I got some 40 inchers at a 225. I'm going to cut these guys down to 31 inch, a pair of them. Got Mr. Grindy McGee.
Oh yeah!
Got my cones, ready to get after this.
Brutal.
Got my homemade spring spreader right there. Made some little notches out of this old genie arm. Okay, got that old TorqueMaster down. Brought the laser level in here just to make sure tops of my flags were at the same distance, which the right hand side over there I had to move up about a ½ inch. And the reason I do that is just to make sure everything's nice and level, the torsion tube and how it operates. Hey, Brazilian hot dog. If you're watching this video, maybe this is something you should do to your door. Might reduce that slack that you've been having.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey, I just got it converted. As you can see, the door, I got it about 5 inches off the floor. Right there's the torsion spring I put up. This is a 16x7 insulated door. This is a comparison to a CHI 2251, but this was on a Wayne Dalton door. So a pair of 225 by 2 inch by 31 inch balances this thing out perfectly. And getting everything all level because, you know, that right side track over there was definitely not where it should have been. And, you know, with a side mount, you want everything nice and level, meaning that spring line. It reduces wobble and, you know, it's just a lot better if you have everything nice and straight. Okay, here's this big old hoss. This is the Chamberlain side mount. If you're all familiar with LiftMaster 8500W, then this is nothing new. Model number RJO70. So I'm gonna bust this open and get it going. All right, my dudes. I got it all done. Mounted the light over there next to the machine. You can see I kind of put my lock up a little high. It works really good. Got that torsion spring on there. Man, that TorqueMaster before made that door work like crap. So the torsion spring definitely is gonna make for a much smoother ride. Got everything all mounted up there. Tension monitor. Like I said, I got the lock right there.
Wicked.
Right above the roller. And there it is in all its glory. You know, these are nice machines. I like them. Let's go ahead and give it a ride.
Here it comes! Bruh.
Nice and smooth all the way up. Let's go back down with it.
What?
Booyah! Thanks for checking this out. This was a pretty cool job. I like doing these.
Why you always lying?
If you got any comments, please throw them down below. Hit that like button and please subscribe if you haven't. Be part of the conversation. We'll see y'all soon. Peace out.